The team is out. That's it. The team is out. Hello, welcome to White Eagles TV. My name is Mitch. I'm your host. Thanks for tuning in. What we're going to do right now is we're going to have a look at the team that Dragan Stojkovic just released. I'm not too sure. He said he was going to release it on the 14th, which was the deadline day set by FIFA. But here we are on the 11th of November in Sydney, Australia, wherever you're watching. He has released the team. I'm going to go onto my Twitter page where I've translated it from Cyrillic into English, something that I can read. So let's go through it. The goalkeepers, nothing surprising here at all. Vanja Milinkovic-Savic, Predrag Rajkovic, and Marko Dimitrovic. You got to say Stojkovic will probably go with Vanja Milinkovic-Savic as his first choice keeper. That's probably 100%. So no surprises in the goalkeepers. Now, let's go into the defense. Nikola Milenkovic, Miloš Velkovic, Strahinja Pavlovic, Stefan Mitrovic, Strahinja Irakovic, and Srđan Babic. Once again, pretty much the defense that Stojkovic has relied on this whole qualifying campaign. I don't think there's anything too surprising there. You know, rock solid defense. I got to say, rock solid defense. We'll see. I mean, wow, I can't believe he's released it right now. Midfield, once again, no surprises. Darko Lazovic, Andrija Zivkovic, Nemanja Radonjic, Filip Kostic, Filip Mladenovic, Nemanja Gudel, Sasha Lukic, Nemanja Maksimovic, Sergej Milinkovic-Savic, and Dusan Tadic. And then we'll continue down. Ivan Ilic, Marko Grujic, Uroš Račić, and Filip Đuričić. Once again, no surprises there. These guys are pretty much played this whole qualifying campaign. Stojkovic has relied on him this whole time, and no surprises that they're on the plane to Qatar. And the attack, once again, no surprises. Mitrovic, Vlahovic, and Luka Jovic. Nothing too surprising there. Maybe a little bit thin up front, but maybe you want maybe another striker. But let's face it, Mitro is playing every game, and if Mitro is not playing, Vlahovic is going to play, and Luka Jovic off the bench. If he sees any game time at all, he probably will, but probably not too much. It'll definitely be Mitro starting and Vlahovic probably in tandem. And then you got Luka off the bench. I think he will just be pretty much just an off the bench player for Serbia. Nothing more than that. So that's incredible that he's released the team, and at this today, I can't believe it. Let's wonder if there's any reaction. Let's have a look. Fulham's released a tweet, no doubt. I mean, that's pretty much gold. Mitro is always going to go, but it's nice that they release something like that. You know, that's good for Mitro. He's pretty much a legend there. Is there anything else? No, Joker. Let's have a look. Let's have a look if my favourite football account, Serbia Footy, has reacted. Oh, it looks like he's probably sleeping over there in Canada. No comment from him yet, but I'm sure something will come soon. No, that's it. Wow, well, there you go. I put it up, the tweet. There's the original tweet from the Savez. It's in Cyrillic, so I'm no good there. But I like this Stojkovic here with the eagle. The emblem I wish we had, but the emblem we have. So hopefully, this team does pretty good at this World Cup. But I'm pumped. The World Cup's only 10 days away, and Serbia's game a little bit more than that against Brazil. I just can't wait for this game. As you can see, I put the current jersey on. Hopefully this jersey's going to be holding the World Cup trophy in late or middle December. I'm the optimist, so fingers crossed. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is there anyone that you wanted to go? Anyone that should be going that you don't think should be going? Let me know. Thanks for watching.